Efficient cleaning squeegee with premium 300 for stainless steel frame, rust-free and durable. The soft and smooth silicone blade allows for streak-free and persistent cleaning performance and minimal squeaking noises. Wide to USER shower squeegee. Has perfect size and effectively apply for removing water, limescale, and soap scum on smooth surfaces such as your shower glass door, window, ceramic tile, mirror, sink, and car glass. Comfortable handle. The handle of the squeegee uses plastic material instead of stainless steel, non-slip, lighter, and more comfortable to grip. Better help you with minimum effort to provide maximum cleaning power. Strong adhesive hooks. Window squeegee comes with a strong adhesive hook for convenient hang and storage. It is no drilling and no worry to harm to your wall or glass. Meet your bathroom hanging needs. Perfect guarantee. If you experience an issue with our bathroom squeegee, please get in touch with us to repair or replace it. And if you have any questions during use, contact us at any time. We will solve them for you. Tap the link below.